Om Jnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
So I was asked to give a blessing for baby daughter.
Mi avete chiesto di dare una mia benedizione a questa figlia neonata.
What's baby's name?
Qual è?
Vrinda Devi. How old is she? 2.5 months. It's your first child, is it?
Yes. Prima baby.
Bambina. Pampina. Prima Pampina. And mother's fully recovered. So it's a great responsibility having children. That's always there. That's in every society, in every era. It's a great responsibility to have children. But more so in the present age, because it's more difficult having children than in previous ages. Because previously families were big and people lived in villages, so the whole village was like a family. But in the modern age, everyone is on their own. And generally the young people, they don't even want to live with their parents who can actually help them in so many ways. And another reason why it's more difficult in the modern age to raise children is because the whole society is so degraded. Mostly people, they don't even expect their children to be like well behaved or polite. Or I was just on Saturday evening, I was at a Namhata program in South Germany. So a few devotees came, and including some came with their children, some teenage children. Giovane means?
Teenagers, adolescent.
That's Sanskritam. Yeah. That Yovanam Jara become, Jovanam means like that. Teenage. Youth means youth. So a couple of teenage girls, and they were not badly behaved, but they had no idea of how to properly behave. So they wore some t-shirts which exposed much of their breast. So I just thought, well, in my generation, even though the girls weren't exactly all incarnations of Mother Maria, but they wouldn't do that. Yes, they were very bold. And then in the middle of the program, one girl, she just lay down on the side like this. So that's just considered nothing unusual, but coming from India, it seems unusual to me. I'm just making the point that children in the modern age, I think even, I don't know, previously in Italy, if there's like a priest present, then everyone will be very respectful like that, isn't it?
Yes.
And like I say, the girls, they weren't being deliberately disrespectful, but they just didn't have any, it's just the culture, it's just you do what you like, however you like, whatever you like that. And so I'm told it's quite normal for the young boys and girls, as soon as they come to puberty, they're having sexual relationships and taking drugs and all these things. So I don't know exactly what the situation is in Italy, but I'm sure whatever it is, it's not as good as it used to be. So it's a very difficult age to raise children in if you want them to be good. And for devotees, more so, because we have higher ideals. We have the instruction of Srimad Bhagavatam. Guru na sasyat, swajana na sasyat, pita na sasyat, janani na sasyat, jaivang na chatsyan, na patis cha sasyat, namo chayad yasamapeta mrityam. One should not, unless one can deliver his dependents from birth and death, one should not become a guru, a relative, father or mother, or one should not accept respect from anyone unless you can guide them on the proper path. However, it is possible, even in this age, to raise children in a way that they can be exemplary devotees. I know some devotees whose children are raised in America, Canada, who the children, they're nice devotees. And even the karmis, they're impressed by the children because they're so polite and well behaved. But it requires that the parents themselves be very serious in Krishna consciousness and be very serious that their children also be Krishna conscious. So it's a very big topic. I won't speak at great length now, but as you brought Vrinda Devi to me for blessings, I thought it's that along with blessings should come some relevant instruction. The most important thing the most important thing people have to do is to become Krishna conscious. And then the next thing they have to do is to give Krishna consciousness to others. And for most people, that responsibility mostly means within the home, within their family. Hare Krishna. Mm-hmm.
Maharaj, they are engaging in some business. They have to leave. They cannot stay tomorrow. Right. And they ask if you 5 minutes, if you can visit their home. There is a very nice Tulsi place. And also
that's good. Yeah, that's good. If you look after Tulasi will give you Krishna. Krishna Bhakti Pradayani. She's the one who gives Krishna Bhakti. Yeah, so, alright.